Hello and welcome back to the Second Chance to Live channel here on YouTube. I'm happy to see that you decided to stop by to watch this presentation. I create video presentations of my articles for individuals to learn more effectively through watching and listening. To read the article, I'll put my glass back on and bring up the article. I want to thank you for being here. And here's the article. The article is the difference between ability and capability after a brain injury. Following our brain injuries, we may find that our ability to accomplish certain things has changed. Because our abilities and capabilities may have changed, we may become discouraged and despondent. But there is good news. Instead of continuing to be discouraged because of what we can no longer do, we can set off on an adventure. We can begin an adventure to discover how to use our abilities and capabilities. And what I found, the adventure involves a process. The adventure involves a process of learning how to use our abilities and capabilities in ways that will work. Ways that will now work for us to accomplish what we once thought impossible. Here's a quote that I like. All life is an experiment. The more experiments you make, the better, by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Here's a phrase that I like inch by inch, life's a cinch. Yard by yard, life is hard. Here's another quote that I like. Everyone is trying to accomplish something big, not realizing that life is made up of little things. For many years, I unknowingly bought into the lie of shame. And here's an anachronism for shame: should have already mastered everything. For many years, I was stuck by shame because I thought that I should have already known, and I shamed myself for not being able to do things perfectly. The lie told me that if I did not know how to do things perfectly, then there was something wrong with me. The message of shame still haunts me at times, but now I am aware. My awareness helps me to remember that I do not have to do things perfectly. My awareness helps me to recognize my adventure involves process and progress, not perfection. With these awarenesses, I'm free to pursue excellence or quality instead of being perfect or perfectionism. What I have discovered about myself. As I allow myself to pursue excellence or quality instead of trying to be perfect, I find that I have more peace in my life. As I allow myself to pursue excellence or quality instead of trying to be perfect, I find that I am able to stop striving to prove my worth and value. As I allow myself to pursue excellence or quality instead of trying to be perfect, I find that I am able to stop needing other people's approval and validation. As I allow myself to pursue excellence or quality instead of trying to be perfect, I find that I am able to be more comfortable on my own adventure. I am able to be more comfortable in my own skin. As I'm more comfortable on my own adventure, I find the freedom to use my gifts, talents, and abilities in ways that work for me without trying to find the validation for other people to say that that's okay. I find the freedom to run my own race instead of comparing my race to the race or races of other people. I find the freedom to accept and build on my own lot in life instead of comparing my lot in life with what other people are building on their lots in life. Below are several quotes that encourage me to pursue excellence or quality instead of perfection. Believe in yourself and believe in yourself and the rest will fall into place. Have faith in your abilities, work hard, and there is nothing you cannot accomplish, by Brad Henry. Another quote, ability is what you're capable of doing. Motivation determines what you do. Attitude determines how well you do it. That's by Lou Holtz. Another quote, discipline is the refining fire by which talent becomes ability. Roy L. Williams. Roy L. Smith. Success is where preparation and opportunity meet, by Bobby Unser. This is the end of the video presentation of the article. I want to thank you again for stopping by. Please share this video presentation with anybody you believe could benefit. I'll say so long for now. Before I go, let me encourage you with this. Please do not give up on your process of loving God or yourself, because more will be revealed to you and to me with time. The pieces of the puzzle will come together in the correct order and at the right time. I'll say so long for now. Have a great day, and God bless both you and your family. So long now.